I have more energy. I sleep way better. My name's Ruby, and I've been here almost 5 months. And I noticed that I was slowing down and I was the most unfit I was in my life. I had a handful of goals, and they were really to get stronger, improve my endurance, and increase bone density, and be leaner, just overall healthier. I have achieved those goals, but of course, there's no finish line, so I just continue improving upon those goals. I've seen a lot of positive physical changes, but beyond that, I have more energy. I sleep way better. And yeah, I've developed habits that I can sustain and incorporate in my lifestyle. So when I did my onboarding, it was more than just exercise. It was also nutrition, beyond the training. I also like that MPH does body composition and progress scans. Having actual tangible data to back that up gives me that extra motivation. And it also shows that whatever work I'm putting in with the coaches, it's paying off. It are the people, the coaches. I've been fortunate enough to train with both Bailey, who's my primary coach, and Jack. Amazing coaches, great human beings. They're quite knowledgeable and genuinely want you to succeed. Because when I came here, I was really quite intimidated, and that they both made me feel quite at ease.